got that crazy family. Got videos 1, 2, 3.
Hey YouTube, we just got the Skylanders giant surprise egg. Now let's open them. Ooh. Whoa. Jelly beans. Jelly beans. Oh, spiral. I want to see what my next one is. I got some of these stickers. Jelly beans. Oh, you. I have no idea what this is. Open it. I guess fire. Oh, it's Skylanders giant one. Hey. Oh, I can imagine it.
Oh, shakalaka. Double trouble. Oh, it's a Tree Rex badge. I already did go.
G'day mate, I'm the like button down below. Please give me a click to say I like this. Thanks!
Today's shout out goes to Canal Phone Jimbrady 1. Yeah!